What you are seeing is Famagusta. The city is occupied by the Turkish military, and all the Greek Cypriots left the city and became refugees.
Together, hand in hand, Greek Cypriots and Turkish Cypriots, all the Cypriots, for us, for our children, for our grandchildren, all of us yearning to build a future of peace and freedom for our country. We are all Famagusta.
You have security today.
Security.
He's following me about 4 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. This is a ghost town.
Yes. This place is open before about 5 years. If you come in before about 5 years, just you stay outside, look inside. He don't leave you to take the picture. He don't leave you to do it, nothing. From the moment he's closed the eyes, the United Nations to leave it to open this small place, because before he's had the contact with the two governors, nobody. He's make something inside, just he's check the United Nations if he's find a solution to give back from Cypriot, because all this and also that to pass and the village more inside is from Cypriot before. He's coming to clean the premises. The road before is like this, and he's put the new premises. That to see from the video, here is the hut with the tourists before, in 1974. His way to come in about 6 million of tourists a year here. Don't think about it as a small place, it's too big place. That's why he started to make the new construction that is from 1974 there. The back that machine is from 1974. I have a lot of famous company to have the shop here. I have the Toyota showroom, Mitsubishi Fairway, Singer, Hoover, Philips, this big company. He's have the shop inside here. The time to go more up, and I pass from outside. You see also the shop. He need to start to go slow more up, and I start to explain one by one in the same puzzle. All right? Okay. Alright, this hotel over here is the Corte Mariana Hotel. It's one of the famous hotels. If you see up from the roof, it's right the Corte Mariana. The main entrance from the reception is that way. But because the tree is made cover, you don't see very well inside.
Dat is toch wel bizar om te zien gewoon dit.
Gewoon hier op straat, los.
Zonder auto's, gewoon ghost town, lopen in ghost town. Wow.
You know what's that, huh?
Old post of...
Mr. Bean, you are inside. You see the film with Mr. Bean. You're alright. This is from England. He's red. But because from Cyprus the post office is yellow, that's why he's painted
Paint
in
yellow.
1974 yellow. That picture to see on the middle is the difficult design is a church. That is make for the owners on the hotel. His way to make was more festival to give the name, but because he's coming in 1974 is a church without name.
Our bodyguard.
This all the hotels to see around here, he don't have the swimming pool. He don't need the swimming pool, it's very close from the sea.
Yeah.
After from this mountain, if you know where is Prodaras, it's Prodaras, it's a tourist area. It's after from Ayanapa. Alright, if you look inside from the window, you see the King George. Inside that, in the first window. See?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
I don't have any ladies with the name Margarita game today. The Margarita Hotel is crown open 2 months before the war.
So they're sick. Put a lot of money inside it. That's really crazy.
Think about it, what you feel the honest from him.
Oh, yeah.
And he's have the credit on the bank he need to pay.
Hey, wow.
This shop is a Toyota showroom. If you see inside, he's had a picture how is a Toyota before. I have just two color, blue and the white, no more color. This shop here is a small cover to sell the alcohol drinks.
Oh, the sitting.
But empty for the no food. Who knows what's this more place?
I think
Honey, here. Drinks.
It's a small kiosk to sell the newspaper, cigarettes, soft drinks, and outside he's have the telephone. Because before he don't have the iPhone, if you like to use the telephone, you need to go from place to have telephone. Mitsubishi Fairways. Inside here I have the nightclub, free entrance tomorrow, not today. Here is the house to have one rich Cypriot before, because he's have also the rich people to live here. He's living about 45,000 Cypriot. He's have the house inside here. Nice design, good. There is a Bank of Cyprus, no money, no honey. The time to go more up, there from the traffic light, there is a Bangladesh Bank. From Bangladesh Bank, he's have everything inside. Money, silver, gold, everything inside. Just he's have one group from England, he's coming every year to check if it's everything inside. And he's go back, he's put the locker with a rent stamp from the main entrance, and he's go back. He's have two policemen to be careful 24 hours for the day there. And maybe you ask me why he don't have the chance to take. I tell you to don't ask me, because the United Nations to leave, he don't leave the people from England to take nothing from inside. Just if he's find the solution, he's open the door and he say, okay, you take. Jasmine. And then don't jerry, huh? Don't kill me.
it's for the woman.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, right.
Halloumi. Dat is halloumi.
Wat vind je ervan? Zout op?
Dit is halloumi.
Halloumi.
Ja.
Halloumi, hartstikke lekker dat ding. It's delicious.
You from where you come from? England.
No, the Netherlands.
Ah.
We're from the Netherlands. Nederland. Pretty much. We gaan het heel erg gezond houden. Wat dacht je daarvan?
Mag het?
Ja, wat zeg je nou? Ja, zero sugar. Even proosten.
Maar dan denk ik niet. Het kan mooi zijn.
Ja. Santé, proost. Proost. Ja man, proost. Santé. Hoe zeg je dat?
Jammer.
Yamas op een. Wat is het? Op een FS. Yamas.